Is he a nice bird, Catherine?
Right to honey.
Here's Melon's got poop on her head from the birds. That means she gets to free something, right?
Get a sticker. And poop. Yeah, there's some paper towels out if you want to wipe it off. On your way out. It won't hurt you. Good luck.
I should wash my head.
Yeah, you probably should.
Whoa.
Enough water.
I know you can get one, Madeline. I just know it. Oh, they're just the baby ones.
They don't hurt. They don't hurt.
Aw, she didn't get any. I can get you more, Catherine. Don't worry.